Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Struggling with internet connectivity can be incredibly frustrating, especially when your Tenda Wi-Fi router stubbornly displays no internet. In this guide, we're tackling the topic head-on: how to fix Tenda Wi-Fi router no internet. We'll walk you through a series of steps designed to troubleshoot and resolve connectivity issues efficiently. With a bit of patience and following these steps, you'll have your internet up and running in no time. Step 1. Check physical connections. The foundation of troubleshooting begins with the basics. Ensure that all the cables connected to your Tenda router are secure. Check the power cable and ensure the router is properly plugged in and powered on. Verify that the Ethernet cable from your modem is connected to the WAN port on your router. If you notice any loose or damaged cables, replace them and see if this resolves the issue. Step 2. Restart your router and modem. Next, try the classic method of turning off and on again. Start by unplugging the power from your router and modem. Wait for about 10 to 20 seconds before plugging them back in. Allow a couple of minutes for both the router and the modem to reboot and establish connections. This simple reset often resolves temporary configuration or connectivity issues. Step 3. Verify internet service. Before diving deeper, ensure that your internet service is active. Check with your internet service provider to confirm there are no outages in your area. Sometimes service disruptions can impact connectivity without any issues on your end. Log into your ISP's website or give them a call to verify the status of your service. Step 4. Update router firmware. Outdated firmware can lead to performance issues. Log into your Tenda router's control panel by entering the default IP address, often 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1, into your web browser. Navigate to the firmware update section and check if a newer version is available. Follow the instructions provided by Tenda to update your router's firmware. This can resolve bugs and enhance router performance. Step 5. Check DHCP settings. Incorrect DHCP settings may lead to connectivity issues. Access your router's control panel once again and locate the DHCP section. Ensure that DHCP is enabled as it assigns IP addresses to your devices. If DHCP is turned off, you might manually need to configure your device's IP settings, which can lead to network errors. Step 6. Reset to factory settings. If all else fails, a factory reset might be necessary. This will revert your router to its original settings, wiping out all custom configurations. To reset your Tenda router, locate the reset button, usually a small pinhole. Press and hold it for 10 seconds. Once reset, you'll need to set up your network again, including your network name and password. There you have it. By following these detailed steps on how to fix Tenda Wi-Fi router no internet, you should be able to identify and resolve the issues keeping you offline. From checking physical connections and restarting your devices to updating firmware and adjusting settings, these solutions will guide you to a stable connection. Remember, before making any changes, note any custom settings to quickly restore your configuration if needed. Stay connected and surf the web smoothly with your Tenda router.